Guys, I have to share this with you. I have to, like, I must to protect you, because this is a mother protection feeling towards you, towards my clients and viewers. Just in case my clients sent me something and I was like, holy schmackamole, what the heck? This is like, everybody should know. I'm gonna put right here on the screen. Dear Ginamber, I asked my friend to bring me your Dermaroller from USA, and I was so happy and improved my skin so much for 3 months. My forehead wrinkles started to disappear. Love it. I love to hear this. I decided that it's time to go for bigger size Dermaroller, but I ordered one from Amazon similar to Ginamber Dermaroller. I hear this all the time. Similar but not the same. I was happy to find the real needles Dermaroller in England till today when I used it for the first time, and I was shocked. I'll send you pictures. I don't know what is this and how to deal with it. P.S. The problem is not of the serum which I use after, because it's the same which you use all the time with using my Dermarollers, which is used after your brand Dermaroller. And here are the pictures. What happened when she used another real individual needle Dermaroller. Remember, I am the owner and founder of the real individual needle Dermarollers. I own the trademark. Nobody else in the world owns that trademark. That means my Dermarollers, that one is original. Now there's a bunch of brands on Amazon that's copying me, they're trying to do the same, but it is not the same. Sometimes wanting to save 15, 20 bucks can cause harm to your skin. Be aware of this. I am like a mother. I want to protect your